Cybersecurity technologies, certainly. Cybersecurity technologies are a crucial aspect of safeguarding computer systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access, attacks, and damage. There are various cybersecurity technologies and strategies employed to protect digital assets and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of information. Here are some key cybersecurity technologies. 1. Firewalls. Firewalls act as a barrier between a trusted internal network and untrusted external networks. They inspect incoming and outgoing network traffic, allowing or blocking data based on predefined security rules. 2. Antivirus software. Antivirus software scans for and detects malicious software, malware, such as viruses, worms, and trojans. It helps prevent infection and removes existing threats from a computer or network. 3. Intrusion Detection Systems, IDS. IDS monitors network traffic for suspicious activities or patterns that may indicate a potential attack. They raise alerts or take action to mitigate threats once detected. 4. Intrusion Prevention Systems, IPS. IPS builds upon IDS by not only detecting threats but also actively blocking them in real time, preventing malicious traffic from reaching its target. 5. Encryption. Encryption is used to protect sensitive data by converting it into unreadable ciphertext, which can only be decrypted with the appropriate key. It ensures that even if data is intercepted, it remains confidential. 6. Virtual Private Networks, VPNs. VPNs provide secure and encrypted connections over public networks, allowing users to access private networks remotely. 7. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. MFA requires users to provide multiple forms of identification before granting access. This adds an extra layer of security beyond traditional usernames and passwords. 8. Secure Sockets Layer Transport Layer. Security, SSL, TLS. SSL and TLS are cryptographic protocols that secure communication between a web browser and a server, ensuring data integrity during online transactions. 9. Security Information and Event Management, SIEM. SIEM systems collect and analyze log data from various sources to identify security incidents and provide a centralized view of an organization's security posture. 10. Patch management. Regularly updating software and systems with the latest patches is crucial to address known vulnerabilities and reduce the risk of exploitation. 11. Network segmentation. Dividing a network into smaller segments helps contain potential breaches and limit the impact of attacks. 12. Application security. This involves implementing security measures at the application level to prevent vulnerabilities and protect sensitive data. 13. Identity and Access Management, IAM. IAM technologies control user access to systems and data, ensuring that only authorized individuals can access specific resources. 14. Distributed Denial of Service, DDoS. Protection. DDoS protection solutions prevent and mitigate the impact of DDoS attacks that attempt to overwhelm a network or system with excessive traffic. These are just some of the many cybersecurity technologies used to protect digital assets and maintain a secure computing environment. Combining these technologies with robust cybersecurity practices and user awareness training is essential for a comprehensive cybersecurity strategy.